Milo, say hi to the advent calendar people. It's the Berslyf followers. He's a little sleepy, guys, sorry. But here we are. It is day 20 for the advent calendar, and I got another good one for Justin. Might recognize a theme that happened a little earlier in the advent calendar in this one, but yeah, I'm excited. You excited? We're gonna show Dad? Yeah, Dad's over there. I see him too. All right, let's go get him. Bersy!
Hey!
Look at you, you're not sleeping.
I'm not. I was gonna say that. I was gonna say, look, you caught me on the couch. I'm not sleeping.
He's awake.
I'm awake. I'm enjoying a little morning cup of Joe. It's nice. I'm guessing because there's a camera and a massive internet audience. It's advent calendar time, right?
That is the time.
All right. Shall we see what we got?
Yeah, let's see what we got. Day 20.
Okay, let's go see. Let's
do it.
Day 20?
I think you
Guys,
might giggle a little bit.
Guess what? That means it's 5 days till Christmas.
It's coming.
5 days. What in the world?
Okay.
Can we just look for a second?
So we're gonna take a moment.
It can't even fit in there.
I really tried. I was like, no, we're gonna make this work. And
Oh
then
my gosh.
I did that and it was funny and I was like, I gotta leave it like that.
Yo, is that say a dinosaur? What is going on in here? It's an itsy bitsy volcano to go with the dino.
Yeah.
The dino's included.
That one also has a dino.
One mini volcano, one bag of baking soda, one mini T-Rex, and instructions.
I saw that and I was like, the
Yo,
sciencey
so
nerd in you
cool.
is gonna love it. And
This is awesome.
look at where we are.
Yo, I'm gonna have to make some B-roll and we're gonna see this thing go off. This is sick.
Yeah.
This is sick.
Right. Well, we'll get into it and we'll make it happen.
I just want to get into it. Look at me.
He's trying to open it
I
immediately.
get to set up a volcano with a little dinosaur. I'm doing it. Whatever plans I had for the day, out the window.
On pause.
This is what I'm doing. This is cool. Yeah, this is awesome. Was this Milo's idea or your idea?
It might have been my idea.
This is really awesome. This is a cool gift, actually.
Yeah.
Was this another one of those, like, Five Below things?
It is.
Yo, I didn't even see that.
I know.
Yo,
It's
your
another
eyes-
one that was like, I passed the aisle and you had gone down the next aisle and my eyes darted and I said, come back for that later.
Dang, that's cool. Guys, this is cool. If you guys have been doing your own advent calendars, I'm absolutely thrilled to hear what kind of things you put in them for your significant others or for yourself as you count down Christmas. If there's something really amazing that you've gotten, something really unique, like a little mini volcano, let us know, because this is awesome. This is the first time we've ever done an advent calendar, and I hope that we continue doing this every year to come. It's
Yeah,
an
we will.
amazing tradition, and 5 more days to go. We're gonna go have fun with the volcano.
Milo, you gonna help Dad?
Where's he at?
He's under the chair.
Miles!
Milo!
Miles, it's volcano time!
I'm not sure about that. All right, cool.
All right, guys. There's a little dinosaur in
The
there.
dino's pretty cute.
Plastic
Shiny? Yeah,
wrist.
he's ages 6 and up, folks. Or adult, I suppose, also.
Has anybody ever done one of these before? Like, have you ever made your own volcano as a science project? I never have. I always wanted to. This
You
thing
guys
looks
are
fun.
getting a peek into our kitchen.
All right, so what you'll need: 1 mini volcano, 1 bag of baking soda, vinegar, liquid dish soap, and mini T-Rex. Do I have? I don't know if I have vinegar.
We might.
Make sure your work area is clean. And
We'll check it out. We'll make it
We'll
happen.
set it off. He's gonna be like,
There he is.
he looks pretty awesome.
He's pretty cool.
Yeah, no, this is sweet.
Uh-oh, dino down.
All right, so we got dish soap.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now the vinegar, and we should watch it come to life.
All right, we'll see if it happens.
Yo, I'm scared. I always want to do this. shaking.
I'm so nervous. Sort of.
There's a volcano.
You want to try again? He doesn't stand up. Oh, there you go. You got it. Maybe more vinegar? I don't know. Yeah, be thorough. There we go. There we go. There it comes. What we learned, folks, is not to be stingy with the vinegar. Bum-ba-da. It's a little bit. Oh no, it's bubbling pretty good on that side. The whole kitchen smells like vinegar. It's a little bit anticlimactic.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, it doesn't look like that. You know, but
The 5-year-old wanted you for it to shoot red,
Man.
lava-looking stuff
I
out.
was ready for like a scene from Jurassic Park.
I was hoping that it was gonna be like baking soda with like red like dye in it, so that when it did it, it would be red, but not quite. He said going all in. Going all in. Oh god, that's a mess.
Also, this is rice vinegar.
Yeah.
It's not regular vinegar.
We had to innovate because we didn't have regular vinegar. I didn't even go in. It just went everywhere else. All right. Well, small. Oh dear.
At least I get to live to see another day.
Oh my gosh.
Boing, 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 boing,
Oh dear. All right. Well, I think that's it for the volcano.
Okay.
It was fun.
It was fun.
Even though it was a little bit anticlimactic, but it was still fun.
It was fun. All right. Be merry.